What is the value of the expression 50 divided by 5 times open bracket 5 plus 5 close bracket? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question is actually very easy, but it tricks almost everyone. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. In the first step, most people start by solving the expression inside the brackets and replace it with 50 divided by 5 times 10. In the next step, they go for the multiplication between 5 and 10 and replace this expression with 50 divided by 50, which finally gives them the answer 1. And immediately, they say that option A is the correct answer to this question. But it's not the correct answer. Now let me explain step by step how we should solve this question. As you can see on the screen, in this expression we have a division sign, followed by a multiplication and then a bracket. To solve this expression, we need to use the BODMAS rule. In this rule, B stands for bracket, O stands for order, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We need to perform these operations in order from top to bottom. So, we start with the bracket first, because it has the highest priority than the other operations. Okay, this expression simplifies to 50 divided by 5 times 10. Now it's time to simplify this expression. However, it's very important to note that in the BODMAS rule, multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this case, all we need to do is start from the left side of the expression and move step by step toward the right. So, first we perform the division between 50 and 5, which simplifies the expression to 10 multiplied by 10. Finally, the value of this expression will be 100. Therefore, option D is the correct answer to this question. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and leave a comment. And to see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.